Now, there are platforms who want to pay you to do the same social media tasks you do online, and this platform will pay you easily to do the same social media things you do, like liking posts, sharing Facebook posts, watching YouTube videos like this, and just scrolling through TikTok, right? Now, instead of wasting your time doing these things, now you can easily monetize these your social media activities with these two platforms I'm going to be sharing with you in this very video. Right now, if you are a student, you are someone like a stay-at-home mom, or you are anybody who is looking for extra ways you can make money online right now, this is a perfect opportunity for you. You can plug in and you can easily start making some simple daily income from right now. So I will take you to my screen. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can register with this platform, how you can activate your account, how you can go about them, and how you can perform these simple social media tasks every single day, and how you can get paid from this very simple platform. Now, these are platforms I've researched, I've used, and I've made money from real time, right? These are real platforms that will really pay you real money into your local bank account, right? So I'll take you to my screen, sharing everything with you. But before we jump right into there, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Norma Evans, and in this very channel, I share videos around ways you can make money online, how you can start your online and offline business, productive videos, tech-related videos, and other related videos that can help you in your online journey. Now, if this sounds interesting to you, I would just love you right now to simply subscribe to this very channel, and please do it to like this video. That helped me a lot. And if you are finding value already in this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'd deeply appreciate that. Now, with that said, let's jump right into this video right now as I share these two platforms with you. So let's jump right in. So guys, now this is the two websites I have practically used to make money in the past few months, right? As a side also, guys. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through this website, what is it all about, how you can also make money from this very platform. Even if you are a student, you are working from home, or you are a stay-at-home mom, or you are a 9-to-5 worker. Now, these two platforms support you, even if you are in Nigeria, you are in Kenya, or you are in any part of the world, right? Now, as you can see right now, my current balance right here is 1,010 naira. I've only done just 3 jobs on this platform, right? And this happens to be the first platform I'm going to be introducing to you. Now, as you can see closely after the balance, you can see that your Naira account has been verified, right? Now, this platform has what we call two accounts. They have the dollar account and they have the Naira account. Now, if you are in Nigeria, you can easily activate a Naira account with just 1,000 Naira. But if you are living outside Nigeria, you can activate your dollar account with $5, which grants you access to everything in this platform and all the making money opportunities right in this platform. Now, what is this platform all about, and how can I get started, and how can I get registered on this platform, right? Now, before I show you that, I'm going to show you some proof of my withdrawals from this very platform. Now, if you come to wallet right here, come to wallet, you can see I'm going to come to my withdrawal request, and you're going to see my previous withdrawal on this very platform. Okay, right now, these are my previous withdrawal on this very platform. If you watch closely, my last withdrawal on this platform was 2,489 naira, right? And it was paid, as you can see the status right here. Now, if I come to my wallet again and I want to insist to withdraw this very money, what I'm going to do is to come to withdraw right here. I can easily enter the amount I want to withdraw, select the option right here. It's a local withdrawal or paper withdrawal. Paper withdrawal implies for those who are living outside Nigeria, but if I'm living inside Nigeria, I'm going to use local withdrawal. Click on withdraw funds and your money is going to land in your bank account. As you can see, it said note, withdrawals are made every Friday of the week. Only verified user can withdraw. Right now, this platform allows you to withdraw every Friday, but the other platform I'm going to share with you allow you to withdraw anytime, any day, and any moment. Right now, let me take you to my dashboard and show you how you can get started with this platform right away. Now, the first thing you have to do is to get registered, right? Once you get registered, I'll be leaving a link in the description, which is going to be the first link in my description. It's going to load you to a page where you are going to register, fill in your details, necessary details you need to get registered. It's very simple and straightforward. So once you register, the next thing you are going to do is to activate your account, right? I'm going to take you through this process so that it will be very easy for you. So I'm going to log out this account. I'm going to log out right here, and I'm going to take you to the registration process right now. Now, I've logged out already, as you can see. Work online and earn daily in dollar and naira. Right now, this is Freebase, and Freebase was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Use Freebase to answer surveys, questions, play games, and install applications to make money daily. Right now, these are what you do every day, but this platform will pay you to do all these things every single day. Now, this is how it works. Now, sign up, earn and cash out, and hire workers. As you can see, they have over 65,500 available jobs, and they have over 258,000 users, and they have completed over 435,000 jobs, right? This is crazy, guys. See, these are some of the recent payouts on this platform: 14,250, 9,500, 46,550, 6,650. Now, these are a huge amount of money people are really withdrawing from this very platform. And the first thing you have to do is to register on this platform. If you come to this website right here, click on register. I'll be leaving the link to register in the description. It's going to be the first one, right? If you click on it, you are going to be landing right here. You put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. Then you select your country right here. Any country you are, it supports any other country. Any country you are, you put in your password, confirm your password. Then you click on how do you hear about freebies. You can click on YouTube or whatever platform you're hearing this from. Then click on this, agree terms and conditions. Your account is going to be registered, right? Now, once you register, the next you are going to do is to activate your account with 1,000, which is very simple. Now, I'm going to go over and log in my account again. Let me show you how you can easily make money from this very platform. Now, we are ready here right now, as you can see. So what we are going to do first is to start performing tasks once your account is verified, right? Now, it's very simple and it's very straightforward, right? Now, to activate your account is very simple. You can do that on your own without anybody showing you that, right? As you can see right here, these are available jobs. I can easily click on this place and it's going to switch to dollar right now, right? But the account I have is a Naira account. So if I have a dollar account, I can switch to dollar and I can start making money in dollar right on this platform. As you can see, these are different ways you can make money from this platform. Now, these are different jobs available right now. So you can see, tag your TikTok friend in a video and you earn 12 Naira. Like and comment on YouTube, you earn 12 Naira. Twitter follow job, you earn 22 Naira, right? As you can see, Twitter follow job, you have 20 Naira. YouTube like and comment, subscribe, you have 20 Naira. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that these are lists and hundreds of jobs right here, which are available on this platform, right? Now, it's not left for you to start doing these jobs and start making money, right? How many jobs you can do a day depends on how speed you are, how fast you are, and how ready you are to make money on this platform. You can do as many as 10 jobs, 20 jobs, 30 jobs, 50 jobs, 100 jobs if you have the time to do that. Now, this can be a perfect side hustle for you if you really want to make an extra income online right now, right? Now, let's imagine I want to do this job right here, like and comment on YouTube. I click on it, right? And once I click on it, it's going to load me to the page where the job details is stated. So right here, like and comment on YouTube job, right? Now, this is the amount I'm going to earn. The current campaign is YouTube job. The campaign category is like and comment. The amount is 12 Naira, and the number of workers they need is 280 workers. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to read the campaign description. As you can see, go to YouTube, search for these terms, go to the vlog posted today and do this. Like the video, make comments, 2 or more sentences and relevant to the content, right? Please do not repeat other comments. We make comments only, right? Do not you always, right? So what I'm going to do right now is very simple. Look, I'm going to click on this link. It will take me to the channel, okay, right? I'll come back to this very website. I'm just going to come here, scroll down. I'm going to click on submit job, right? As you can see, screenshot of comment. I will just submit the screenshot of comment right here. As you can see, I can submit it right here, as you can see, by choosing a file. Then I'm just typing my YouTube name right here. Click on an agree right here. Click on submit. So once I click on submit, the job is going to be submitted immediately, right? And in the next few hours or few minutes, the job is going to get approved and I'm going to be getting my payment right in my account, right? This is the simple way on how you can do the job, right? You click on any job, read the description, look at what they want you to do it and submit your job and you get paid. It's just very simple, guys. It's just very simple, right? So I'm not going to go too details on this job so that I will have some other time to explain the other platform to you, right? So with that said, I'm going to move over to the next platform right now. But before I move over to the next platform, if you are really finding value from this video, please do me a favor by liking this video. Subscribe to this community if you have not done so, right? Let's move down to the next platform right away. So the next platform is called Social Earnings, right? Now this platform has made me even more than what I've made from the first platform I shared to you, right? Now this is very simple because why? You can withdraw your money anytime, any day, at anywhere, right? So my last withdrawal is 1,300 Naira, which is 305 Naira. And this platform has good potential to make you more money than the other platform, right? But you can combine these two together and make much more money for yourself in this very time, right? Now this platform is also very similar to the first platform I shared with you. As you can see, these are the top available tasks right here. As you can see, Facebook page follow, WhatsApp group, Instagram page follow, Instagram post, Instagram comment, and all of that. As you can see, these are available jobs and these are the money they are paying right here. And also delete tasks if you don't want the task, and you can just go and just approve the task. If you want to perform tasks on this platform, click on view tasks. It's take you to the task. As you can see, this is the task details, Facebook page follow, right? This is the amount they are paying. This is the guide on how you can do the task. Please ensure you log in, follow the page user on link below, and submit your screenshot. Just click on view job, right? As you can see, submit task and get paid. Now this is where you click when you want to do the job. As you can see, it's taking me to Facebook, right? I don't have a Facebook account right in this very phone. That's why it's showing me login, right? So click on there. Once you are done with your job, you click here to submit your task, and you are going to submit your task. As you can see, I've not done my task, but I've already submitted my task, right? As you can see, I just submitted my task, though I've not done it, right? So once you do that, the task is going to be reviewed and you are going to get approved, right? Now, before you can start making money from this platform, the first thing you have to do is to get registered. So the second link in the description is going to be the link to get registered on this very platform, right? Once you register your account, it's going to be activated. Next thing you have to do is to activate your account with just 1,000 naira again. So this activation fee is a one-time subscription, which is also a lifetime subscription, right? Which gives you the opportunities this platform offers, right? You can make as much money you want once your account is activated, right? So once your account is activated, the next thing to do is to add your social media link. This is very important. Why? Because this social media link is the link they want to use to verify your account when you are done with them. As you can see, these are my social media link, and all of them are already active right here. As you can see, my TikTok, Twitter, Telegram, and Instagram, Facebook. As you can see, they are all right here, and these are the username. And as you can see, the status are good, except for this Facebook because I have not added it, right? To link your social media is very simple. Click on add social media, right? Scroll down, read the instructions right here. Select the social media you want to add. You can select Facebook, Google Play, Instagram, LinkedIn, Play Store, TikTok, Twitter, and all of that, Thread, and all of that. So once you click on it, you had a username right here on this very column. Once you add a username, you will make sure that you had your social earnings username on your Thread bio, right? Or your Facebook bio, Instagram bio, TikTok bio. Make sure a recent post on your Thread page. The reason they are doing this is because they want to know that you are the owner of this account, and this account is very active, right? So once you do that, you click on submit social media, and in the next few hours is going to be approved. So once it's approved, you can start making money through that social media account, right? So once you have added a social media account, you can start making money from this very platform ASAP, right? To register on this platform is very simple. I click on log out right now. I'm going to just come in and log in. As you can see, I'm going to come in and click on register and sign up. Click on sign up, right? I will leave the link to sign up on this platform in the description below. You put in your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, then you choose register as earner, right? Except you want to register as advertiser, you want to advertise your goods and service on this platform, right? Or you want to promote your service, promote your page on this platform, right? Then you click on referred by. You are going to be seeing my name right there. Click on your password, register, and your account is going to be registered immediately, guys. Immediately, guys. As you can see, about social earnings. At Social Earnings, we understand the importance of connecting advertisers to earners in today's digital age. Our platform allows advertisers to grow their social media presence by posting tasks for earners to perform, such as accounts liking posts, commenting on posts, and all of that. And in return, earners are paid in completing those tasks, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to withdraw my current balance on this very platform right here in this video. So I'm going to relog in my account right here, and I'm going to just come over to payments, right? I'm going to withdraw this amount in this very video. I'm going to click on withdraw to bank. I'm going to select my bank. This is my bank right here, right? So I'm going to just click on the amount I'm going to withdraw, right? I'm going to be withdrawing 1,800 right here. I'm going to click on withdraw right here. As you can see right here, withdrawal of 1,800 is successful. Your payment will be processed in seconds. Kindly refresh the page to view your withdrawal status, right? As you can see, my current balance is 13 naira, as you can see right now. So I'm going to head over to my OP account right now, of which I used to withdraw this money, and I'm going to log in right now. So guys, as you can see right now, just in the next few seconds, the money was paid into my bank account just in less than 30 seconds. You can see the time right here. This is 7:59, right? And I withdraw the money as same 7:59, and the money was paid into my account in 7:59 in just a few seconds time. As you can see, the remark right here is social earnings earner, right? And this money was paid just right now, right? So guys, this is an amazing opportunity for you if you want to really make money online right now. Guys, I'm not playing. I'm going to be leaving the two links to this very platform right here in the description right now. You're going to be seeing the first link, second link. Click on the two of them, register with this platform, activate your account with just 1,000 naira, right? And start making money right now from this platform. Now, your potential to make big money from this platform depends on the amount of time you have and how dedicated you are to this platform to make money. Right now, the two ways to make money from this platform is performing tasks and also inviting your friends to join this platform. Once they join with your link, you have a commission, and once you perform tasks, you have a commission with these two platforms, guys. I believe you got value from this video. If you do, please, I will appreciate it. If you like this video, share this video to your friends and family that you know this will be helpful to them, and also drop a comment in the comment section if you have any challenges, if you have any complaint, or you want me to create more videos about many of these platforms that pays you. Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do my own review, my own research, and I'm going to bring it in this very community for you. So guys, thanks again for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you around right now. And the activation fee of this platform might be getting higher very soon, depends on the time you are watching this video. So click on the link right now on the description and start making money from this very platform right now. I'll see you around. Bye for now. So guys, thanks for watching this video to this very end. Now, this platform will pay you to do simple social media tasks online. Right now, this platform, what you need is just a one-time activation fee, of which you are going to be paying once. You are not going to be paying it again, right? It's just a one-time activation fee to activate your account, and you can start making money right now. Now, this activation fee is to make sure that you are not a robot, you are a real human, and you are dedicated and you are ready to make money from this very platform, right? So because this activation fee is nothing compared to what you are going to be making from this very platform, right? So I'll be leaving all the links in the description of this video. Click on that link and it's going to direct you to this platform. Register, activate your account, and start making money right now ASAP, right? Now, this is not joke. People are really making money from this real time. I'm a proof of that, and I'm not joking with you. Now, if you are looking for more ways you can start making money online, I have a complete playlist on that. Click here right now. I will see you right here. Bye for now.